everyone. Stefan is at a pool party, keeping me entertained while I do a DIY craft. This is what I was talking about. There's a surprise. We have an old wheelbarrow that we decided to do this. Not everybody likes a wheelbarrow filled with stuff, but I had to have my go at it. So what I did is I'm putting Dusty Miller in, and I left my plants in the sun for an hour while I ate. They dried up so they're really wilted. On the back end, I'm going to have white petunias that are going to cascade. And the whole ideal is it'll look like I'm coming from the greenhouse and grabbing the wheelbarrow. I don't want to overfill the front. I hate when they overfill and you don't even see it's a wheelbarrow anymore. So that's why I did the Dusty Miller. Plus I have a plan for the rest of this. And then in the middle, I have Globe Amaranth. I love Globe Amaranth. I just think they're just amazing. And so they will fill the whole middle with a purple, which is great. And in about 3 weeks, this will look amazing. I mean, literally amazing. I only need 5 of these, maybe. Okay, so trailing white in the back, Dusty Miller, which is whitish silver on the front, and Globe Amaranth, which will get up to here, purple in the middle. Then we have the sweet potato or sweet peas and all the squash and cucumbers, which will have yellow flowers on the rock wall. So there's one more part of this garden that I have to design on this side, one more on that side, and then we're done with the greenhouse garden. Please subscribe, like, and share.